In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Hubspot, an essential tool for any marketer looking to connect with their audience effectively. We'll walk through each step of the process so you can send out your personalized and impactful email campaigns with confidence. Let's get started. First, head over to the Hubspot homepage, open up your web browser and type in the URL for Hubspot. Once the page loads, look for the login option, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on login will take you to the page where you can enter your credentials. Ensure you have your username and password ready for a smooth login process. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the Hubspot home dashboard, your starting point for accessing all the tools you need. Now that you are in, it's time to navigate to the marketing section. Look for the marketing tab in the menu on the left side of the screen. Clicking on this will drop down a list of options. Among these, you'll want to click on email. This will direct you to a screen dedicated to managing your email campaigns, showing you existing ones and giving you the option to create new ones. To kick off your new campaign, locate and click on the Create Email button. This is your gateway to designing and sending emails tailored to your audience's needs. You'll then see an option that allows you to create a beautiful and personalized email. Click on this, as it's essential to engage your audience through visually appealing and relevant content. After this, click Next to proceed. You'll need to choose a template here, which is a crucial step because your template is the backbone of your email's appearance. HubSpot offers a variety of templates tailored for different purposes, so make sure to select one that aligns with your campaign's goals. Once you've selected your template, it's time to personalize it. Click Edit to access the design editor. This is where the magic happens. You can tailor the content, adjust the layout, and add graphics or other multimedia elements that resonate with your audience. Remember, the goal is to make your email visually inviting and content rich, ensuring recipients find value in what they're receiving. Your next stop will be the settings. Here, configure your email's details such as the subject line, preview text, and sender information. These settings play a vital role in encouraging your audience to open and read your email. After configuring your settings, it's time to send or schedule your email. Click on Send or Schedule. You can either send your campaign immediately or select a later date and time that's optimal for your audience. Scheduling can be particularly useful if you're targeting recipients in different time zones. And that's it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to create and manage email campaigns in HubSpot. With practice and some creativity, you'll captivate your audience, strengthen relationships, and drive your marketing objectives forward. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.